Hi. In the ever-changing landscape of non-profit technology, staying ahead of the curve is essential. I'm sure you agree. With the recent announcement of Salesforce retiring Elevate, you might find yourself searching for a new and reliable solution to process your valuable donations or payments on Salesforce. Introducing FinDock, the perfect replacement for your non-profit's payment processing needs. Our fully native, non-profit focused payments on Salesforce solution allows you to seamlessly integrate your donation data directly into Salesforce. Whether it's one-time or recurring payments, FinDock ensures you continue to harness the power of Salesforce as your trusted source of data. Trusted and loved by hundreds of non-profits just like yours, FinDock has a proven track record as an established payment solution. See how FinDock can help your organisation take a leap forward as you bid farewell to Elevate. Our native solution empowers you and your teams with powerful out-of-the-box and customizable giving pages, enabling you to create a seamless donation experience for your donors, your members, your customers. Connect to your preferred payment service providers to offer your donors the payment methods they need, fostering stronger connections and boosting your fundraising efforts. FinDock ensures your Salesforce data remains accurate and deduplicated in real time, empowering your team to continue making better decisions and build stronger relationships. Don't let the retirement of Elevate slow you down. Embrace the power of FinDock today and unlock a world of possibilities for your nonprofit. Get in touch with our team to learn more about how we can make your transition away from Elevate smooth, revolutionary and future-proofed. Together, let's make your mission a reality with FinDock.